Totally unacceptable. If there's a zombie apocalypse, of course I need internet at the corner of my house. Let's go fix this. So they say Wi-Fi 7 actually is super sensitive to range and objects in between. So we're going to be putting 2 access points in this house. One downstairs, not a problem. It's an open space area. It is where a lot of critical things happen, such as this. Woo! Woo! And then also over here, we have some mission critical things going on. We have things going on in my daughter's room. Ain't no way! Ain't no way! In my office. And in my bedroom, where you are right now. All right, let's do some unboxing. Hope this goes in. All right, 316. It works. Thank goodness for backups. I could probably use my own equipment, but for the sake of this video, I just want to use what comes out of the box so you know if you don't have equipment, it'll work. This looks good. So now, I believe it's going to go like this. Do the holes align. All the ones that say AD. So something I recommend is actually using a manual screwdriver for this, because these holes are so small, and again the anchor is so weak that you can blast right through it. If you're using, like if I use my Makita, I'll probably blast right through it even at its lowest setting. I am using a Fantic. I don't have to worry too much even on its highest setting, and it just gets the job done. As long as I guide you with my hand first, this can do the rest. Shit! Wait, it's not a workhorse, it's a work pony. I'll be here all day. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, it looks good. Sheesh. Whew. Man, that's fast.